In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add charts in Notion using your existing Notion data. This is perfect if you're tracking tasks, projects, habits, finances, or anything else in a Notion database, and you want to visualize that data with clean, built-in charts. Notion has made this incredibly simple, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to turn any database into a chart in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the page that contains the data you want to visualize. This needs to be a database, like a table, board, or list, because charts in Notion are generated directly from database data. For example, this could be an assignments tracker, a task manager, or a project timeline. Take a moment to confirm that your database has properties like dates, numbers, or statuses, since those are commonly used for charts. Once you've chosen the database you want to work with, move your cursor to the left side of the database view. You'll see a small plus icon appear. This plus icon allows you to add a new view to the same database without duplicating your data. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. After clicking the plus icon, Notion will show you a list of different view types you can create. From this list, look for the chart options. For this tutorial, click on Line Chart. Line charts are great for tracking progress over time, such as completed tasks per day or hours logged per week. You can experiment with other chart types later, but the setup process is very similar. As soon as you click on Line Chart, Notion will automatically generate a chart using your existing data. Your chart is now ready and connected directly to your database. Any changes you make to the data, like adding new entries or updating values, will instantly reflect in the chart without any extra work. You can further customize the chart by adjusting which properties are used for the x-axis and y-axis, filtering specific entries, or sorting the data to match exactly what you want to visualize. This makes charts in Notion incredibly powerful for dashboards and reports. And that's it. You've successfully added a chart in Notion using your own Notion data in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who uses Notion and wants better visual insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.